All right, so no coding in this video, just a warm up to talk about Flask make model. So this is a new command for us, and at its very simplest, it will make a model for you. Just like Flask make controller without any options, makes a controller class. Very simple. Now Flask make model does more than just pass. When you make a model, it will start you off with a couple columns, some very generic columns, an ID, a created at, and an updated at. Um, that's pretty basic. Um, but if you want to add on to it, let's just look at here. Let's kind of peek into the documentation to see what we're going to end up with. So we'll talk about the basics, but then we will add this flag CRUD, which you've seen if you've been watching Flask make controller. You'll know that that CRUD flag it produces those 7 RESTful actions. So that means then it can make controllers. Yay. And if it makes controllers and they're all wired up, then it makes templates. So it has the ability, just like Flask make controller did, Flask make model can reach in and create all the wiring and the templates and the controller and the model that you need to have your app running. And then if you look here, we're going to have nesting and flat, which we had the same in Flask make controller. So for me, Flask make model is a go-to, probably a go-to over Flask make controller. I might come back to Flask make controller for me when I need the namespace, but other than the namespace, I'm probably going to go to Flask make model just because I think data structure wise. And that's probably come out in this teachings even when I'm talking about Flask make controller, because at the end of Flask make controller, I was showing you, okay, well, we need this data structure, and then we need this data structure, and we need this data structure, and we want them related in this particular way. I probably would have reached for Flask make model, but Flask make controller also could do that job. So it just gives you options. I really look forward to talking more about Flask make controller. We'll dive into that in the next series of videos. All right, see you in the next video.